Here I've got Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at first you have to locate and open the settings, then find and pick Wallpaper tab. It's right here. And just click on Agree. And now you have to pick the album from which you would like to select this picture, and it can be one from your local photos, something from recently used, pre-installed or live wallpapers. Under Online Wallpapers you will find the categories in which you can locate your wallpaper. So let me pick all wallpapers. You have to be connected to Wi-Fi, and here you've got the options. And let me choose, for example, beautiful quotes. Tap on more to see more of them. And now just pick the one that you would like to apply. So just choose the quote that you would like to have. And for example, it's always a difficult choice. So let me pick, for example, this one. This is how it will look like on your lock screen and on your home screen. You can make it bigger, smaller, it's up to you. And I will leave it this way and then just tap on apply. Now select if you want to cover with this picture your lock screen only, your home screen only, or maybe both of them. And I will pick the third option, which is set on both. And this is it. As you can see, from now on you've got brand new wallpaper on both your home screen and also the lock screen. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.